The moon. It's been our companion for billions of years. We've sung about it, written poetry for it, and even landed on it, allegedly. But what if I told you that one of the most basic facts you learned about the moon is a lie? Curious? Buckle up, because this is going to blow your mind. All right, let's go back to school. Remember this. The moon's gravity is 1/6 that of Earth. Sounds familiar, right? Now, here's where it gets interesting. That fact is true, but the way we've imagined the moon's surface, all soft, dusty, and peaceful, might be totally wrong. NASA's Apollo missions gave us amazing photos of astronauts bouncing around like they were in a giant lunar trampoline park. But let me ask you this. Have you ever wondered why they were falling over so often? They trained for years, but they looked like toddlers learning to walk. Here comes the crazy part. It wasn't just the moon's gravity playing tricks. Turns out the moon's surface isn't just dust. It's covered in something called regolith. Sounds fancy, right? But regolith is basically a mix of sharp, microscopic glass-like particles that stick to everything. That's right, space dust on steroids. Imagine stepping on shards of glass while wearing socks. Not ideal, huh? Now, here's where things get even wilder. That dust isn't just annoying. It's dangerous. Apollo astronauts reported that it smelled like burnt gunpowder. Why? Because it's so chemically reactive that if you brought it back to Earth and added water, it could explode. Yeah, your middle school science textbook probably left that part out. But here's the kicker. There's one moon fact that's been taught wrong in almost every classroom. You've heard the moon has a dark side, right? Like it's a mysterious, villainous neighbor that's always lurking. Plot twist. The moon doesn't have a dark side. It has a far side, which gets just as much sunlight as the side we see. The only reason we call it the dark side is because it's, well, far. Kind of like your gym membership. But here's why it's really wild. That far side, it's covered in craters, way more than the side we see. Scientists believe that Earth's gravity actually protected the moon's near side from being bombarded by space debris. So the next time you're stargazing, just know our planet is basically a cosmic bodyguard. So, what did we learn today? The moon's surface isn't as friendly as it looks, the dark side is just misunderstood, and moon dust, definitely not a souvenir you'd want. The next time you look up at that glowing orb, remember, it's got secrets, and now you're in on a few of them. If this made you question everything you thought you knew about the moon, smash that like button and subscribe. Or hey, share this with your friend who still thinks the moon is made of cheese. We'll wait while they fact check.